Something happened when I came across this post on X. I looked at it, I was loving the image. What I did, I took the prompt, went on Midjourney, ran the prompt, but the output I got, I could not believe what I was getting compared to what I just seen on X. You see, the thing is, ever since Midjourney came out, from day one, I've always had a subscription for Midjourney. I've always been a fan of Midjourney, and I still love Midjourney. But then the comparison between these two outputs was just mind blowing. The difference between them was just crazy. Fast forward to today, this is what brings me to this video today. The whole point of this video is to generate different images using the same prompt on Mystic and Midjourney. And of course, I'll bring in some other tools just for more context. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get to it. First things first, the setting. The only setting that I will change on both Mystic and Midjourney will be the aspect ratio, meaning if I change it on Mystic, I'll change it on Midjourney for that particular prompt. When it comes to Midjourney, I'll be using the standard mode. I'll be using version 6.1, which is the default version on Midjourney. I'll also have my personalization off. And when it comes to stylization, according to Midjourney, low stylization value produces images that are closely matched to the prompt but are less artistic. High stylization value will produce images that are more artistic but less connected to the prompt. For this, I'll have the stylization value at 100 because I want the image to match the prompt as much as possible. To use Mystic, you need to go to freepik.com. It's very straightforward to use. For the setting, the mode, I'll have it as Mystic. And like I mentioned, I'll change the aspect ratios, blah, 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 blah. And for the style, I will not choose any specific style. I'll leave it on default. The same will go for the color, the camera, and the lighting. All right, so now that we have all that sorted out, let's go. The first prompt I'll run will be for photorealistic image. The prompt is a portrait of an old lady with wrinkles looking at the camera, natural lighting. All right, so this is the image that Mystic has given me, and from Midjourney, this is the 4 I've got. Out of this 4 from Midjourney, this one is just a bit too up close, so I will take that out and I'll have these 3 left. Just like the prompt, all these images have an old lady, she has wrinkles. To me, these 2 images from Midjourney look less realistic compared to this one. This one you can see is a bit more detailed. You can see she's got the wrinkles, the freckles, which leaves us with this image and this image from Mystic. In my opinion, between these 2 images, the Mystic image looks more realistic. The skin looks soft, it looks moisturized, it looks like it has some life in it. When it comes to the eyes, there's something about the eyes that makes it look even more real compared to the Midjourney image. I also ran the same prompt on Leonardo and Grok, which gives us these 4 images now. If I then compare these 4 images, to me, the Mystic image and the Grok image look more realistic. But then that's expected because Grok uses the Flux model to generate the images, which leaves us with these 2 now. If I then compare the Grok image and the Mystic image, to me, the Mystic image still looks more realistic compared to the Grok image. There's just something about this Mystic image that just looks crazy real. This is just my opinion. I would love to hear what you think on the comment section down below. Going back to the post I shown you on X, these were the images that were generated at that time. But to be fair, I rerun this prompt again with the settings that I spoke about, and these are the new outputs that I've got. And the prompt for this is a National Geographic nature show showcasing a hybrid between a buffalo and a moth with large muscular body and delicate powdery wings. The creature is seen grazing in an open prairie at dusk, its wings reflecting the light of the setting sun as it readies to flight. So all these images, they all have something in common. They're buffaloes, they have wings, just like the prompt suggested, right? But then out of all these Midjourney images, to me, this one is the best image in a sense that it's looking down, it's ready to eat. At the same time, the wings are set up like they're about to fly. The sun is reflecting on the wings, and the entire look and feel of that image from Midjourney is so much better compared to the rest of them. If I then compare these 2 images, to me, the Mystic image is better than all the other images. The overall look and feel, I mean, aesthetically, it just looks so much better. I would love to know what you think. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think, because this thing can be subjective, you see. All right, staying on the hybrid topic, this prompt is supposed to produce a hybrid between a snail and a hawk. It does specify that the sparrow shell should be infused in the hawk's back. Some of the images from Midjourney show the shell as being on top of or attached to the hawk rather than being infused. The one image that shows the show as being infused shows the hawk as looking down rather than scanning the horizon. But then when it comes to the Mystic image, it shows the show as being infused, and it also shows the hawk as scanning around as described on the prompt. Again, this is just my opinion. I would love to hear what you think. Please leave the comment section down below and let me know. When it comes to adding text on images, I tried out this prompt: a beautiful lady holding a glowing sign, and the sign is saying, for Mystic, I said it's saying Mystic. For Midjourney, I said it's saying Midjourney. And as you can see from these images, all the images have got a glowing sign. They have a beautiful lady holding the sign, and the sign is saying on one side Midjourney, and on the other side is saying Mystic. And both tools generated exactly what the prompt requested. And that's that. All right, guys, I could go on and on and on, but I want to keep this nice and short. Like I said, I'm still a fan of Midjourney, especially when it comes to star referencing. No tool can do star referencing like Midjourney can do it. And that's important if you want to create AI videos. I say that to say, to me, Mystic generates better images compared to Midjourney. And that's just my opinion. And I'll leave you to leave your opinion on the description section below. And if you enjoyed this or you want to support me, please click that subscribe button for some more videos like this. Until next time, my name is Abigail. I'll see you then. Bye bye.